What if I told you that you could turn metal into money without a huge workshop or years of experience? Stick around because by the end of this video, you have everything you need to get started. Now, let's break this down step by step. 1. Identify your niche. The key to success in any business is finding a specific market to target. Start by researching what type of metal furniture are in demand. Are people looking for industrial coffee tables, outdoor benches, or minimalist shelving units? For example, you might notice that industrial style furniture is trending in urban areas, or maybe there's a gap in the market for customizable pieces where customers can choose the finish or design. Use this information to define your niche and focus on your efforts. 2. Source your materials. The beauty of working with metal is that it is widely available and comes in various forms: steel, iron, aluminium, and more. If you are just starting out, consider using pre-cut metal pieces or salvage materials to keep costs low. Here is a pro tip. Check out local scrap yards, construction sites, or even online marketplaces like Craigslist for affordable or free metal. You will be surprised at the quality of materials you can find for a fraction of the price. 3. Design your products. This is where you can get creative. Think about the types of furniture you want to make: tables, chairs, shelves, and more, and sketch out your designs. Consider the functionality and aesthetics of each piece. For example, a coffee table with a metal frame and a wooden or glass top can appeal to a wide audience, or a set of industrial style bar stools might be perfect for someone's home bar or kitchen island. Don't forget to consider the size and dimensions of your furniture. A standard coffee table is around 80 inches high and 36 inches wide, but you can experiment with different sizes to cater to specific needs. 4. Gather your tools. To create metal furniture, you will need some basic tools like welder, angle grinder, drill, and measuring tape. If you are not comfortable welding, consider using metal connectors or pre-made frames to simplify the process. Here is another pro tip. Invest in a good quality welder and safety gear like gloves and welding helmets. These tools will not only make your work easier, but also ensure your safety while working with metal. 5. Build your first piece. Start with something simple like a small side table or a set of shelves. This will help you get familiar with the process and identify any challenges. For example, let's say you are building a metal and wood coffee table. Start by cutting the metal pieces to the correct length and welding them together to form the frame. Then, attach the wooden or glass top using screws or brackets. Here is a pro tip. Use clamps to hold the metal pieces in place while you weld. This will ensure that your frame is square and level. 6. Finish your piece. Once your furniture is assembled, it is time to give it a professional finish. Start by sanding any rough edges or welds to create a smooth surface. Then, apply a protective coating like paint or a clear sealant to prevent rust and corrosion. For a modern look, consider using a matte black or metallic finish, or for a more rustic vibe, you can leave the metal unfinished or use a patina solution to create an aged effect. 7. Price your furniture. This is where a lot of beginners get stuck. You need to cover your material costs, labor, and overhead while still making a profit. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a 50% profit margin. For example, if your materials and labor cost $500 per piece, price it at $750. But don't just guess, do the math. Create a spreadsheet to track all your expenses, including tools, materials, and even your time. And don't forget to factor in shipping costs if you are selling online. 8. Market your furniture. This is where the magic happens. Start by creating a brand that reflects your style and values. Choose a name, design a logo, and create a simple website or Etsy store. Use high-quality photos to showcase your furniture in different settings. Leverage social media to reach your target audience. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are perfect for visually driven products like furniture. Share behind-the-scenes content, customer testimonials, and styling tips to engage your audience. Here is a pro tip. Collaborate with influencers or interior designers to showcase your furniture. A single post from the right person can drive a ton of traffic to your store. 9. Scale your business. Once you have established a steady stream of orders, it is time to think bigger. Consider outsourcing part of the production process, like cutting or welding, to free up your time. You can also expand your product line by offering matching pieces like chairs or shelves. Don't forget to reinvest in your business, upgrade your tools, attend trade shows, or take a course to improve your skills. The more you invest in yourself and your business, the more it will grow. Now, let's talk about common mistakes to avoid. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is underpricing their products. While it is tempting to offer lower prices to attract customers, this can hurt your profitability in the long run. Stick to your pricing strategy and focus on the value you are providing. Another mistake is neglecting customer service. Happy customers are your best marketing tool. Respond to inquiries promptly, deliver on time, and go the extra mile to exceed expectations. A satisfied customer is more likely to leave a positive review or recommend you to their friends. Okay, let's dive deeper into how to stand out in the competitive world of metal furniture. One way to differentiate yourself is by offering customizable options. Allow customers to choose the finish, size, or even the type of wood or metal used in their piece. This not only adds value, but also creates a personalized experience that customers are willing to pay more for. For example, you could offer a range of finishes for your metal frames: matte black, brushed nickel, or even a custom color. Or let customers choose between different types of wood for the tabletop, like reclaimed oak, walnut, or maple. Another way to stand out is by focusing on sustainability. Use reclaimed or recycled materials whenever possible and highlight this in your marketing. Many customers are willing to pay a premium for eco-friendly products, so make sure to emphasize the environmental benefit of your furniture. Here is a pro tip. Partner with local businesses or organizations to source reclaimed materials. For example, you could work with a demolition company to salvage metal from old buildings or with a lumber yard to find reclaimed wood. Let's talk about design trends in metal furniture. One popular trend is the industrial chic look, which combines raw materials like metal and wood with sleek modern designs. Think exposed boards, distressed finishes, and clean lines. Another trend is minimalism, where less is more. Focus on simple functional designs with clean lines and neutral colors. This style appeals to customers who want furniture that is both stylish and versatile. For a more luxurious vibe, consider incorporating materials like marble, brass, or copper into your designs. These materials add a touch of elegance and sophistication, making your pieces perfect for high-end clients. Finally, let's talk about building a community. Engage with your customers on social media by responding to comments, sharing user-generated content, and hosting giveaways. Create a sense of belonging by building a community of like-minded DIY enthusiasts and furniture lovers. Here is a pro tip. Create a hashtag for your brand and encourage customers to use it when sharing photos of your furniture. This not only increases your visibility, but also creates a sense of community among your customers. Thank you for tuning in. If this video lighted a spark of creativity or gave your project the edge they deserve, don't let the inspiration stop here. Hit the like button, share this with others who get it, and subscribe to join the community that thrives on innovation. Don't forget to tap the notification bell because being ahead of the curve means catching the latest ideas as they drop. See you in the next video.